Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have a 370Z on the lift, and I'm going to show you how to remove your driver and passenger seats out of the car. Alright, so first things first, we are going to remove the negative terminal off of the battery. Just push that down to where it can't ground out anywhere, or you can put a microfiber between it. Now we're going to go to the seats. Alright, so there's going to be 4 14s that hold each seat down, and there should be 4 caps. Sometimes these caps are gone, but you just pull them off, grab a 14, pop that off, pop this off, and then we are going to scoot the seat forward and recline forward also. You're going to see 2 more caps back here. Okay, once the bolts are removed, what I like to do is I'll get it to click on the first setting, or get it in this location if you have electric seats. Then we're going to tilt it back, and on the underside we're going to see a harness under here. You can twist that off, and then there's going to be another one, not a yellow tab, but another clip. Pop that out from there, and I'm holding the seat back over here with one hand, if you're wondering why I'm only using one hand during this. Then you have 3 plugs. You have the airbag plug. This is the occupancy sensor. And then I don't know. You have 3 plugs. One of them, I'm not sure what it does. Keep the seat rocked in this position. And then when the door is halfway open, I like to rotate the seat part towards me, because that is keeping the seat safe from scratching everything. Just kind of rotate it and then come out like that. All right, same thing for the driver's side. We're gonna have 4 14s, and we're gonna have 4 plastic caps that cover the 14s. The 2 front ones out. Rock the seat forward. 2 more back here. Alright, so once you have those out, and on the driver's side, I like to make it so that the seat is kind of even with the back of the rails. Get it in this position, push back with it, kind of walk it forward. You're going to see a harness under here as well. It's attached to that little yellow plastic piece on the bottom of the seat. And then you're going to have another plug, or another clip attached to the seat from the harness. And on this side you have 2. Pull the airbag one off and the other sensor. And then same thing, kind of just rotate the bottom seat portion out towards the opening of the door. That is how you remove your driver and your passenger seat out of your Nissan 370Z.